Alright, so today I'm going to do a review on the Mad Doll nail polish. As you can see already, as soon as I take it off, it's kind of sticky and like really thick. But as you apply it, you probably have to put like 2 coats or 1. But it wasn't too hard, but I guess because I'm used to using nail polish that are like trash. But it's not too bad. So I'm just applying it on. And yeah, I put a second coat just to make sure that the color is really on there. And this is the cat eye polish, meaning that I get to use a magnet and move around the sprinkles, which I thought would be really cool for this video. And it wasn't expensive at all. I think it was 98 cents, and I bought it from AliExpress. So as again, all links will be down below in my I was trying to make a video that had less talking this time, be more satisfying, just watch me do my nails. So basically, again, I'm just applying these Mad Doll nails, the cat nails, And then you'll soon see me clip trying to like use the magnet to kind of move the sprinkles around. So I try to use this magnet with the lighting, but I didn't really like the lighting, so I was just like, it's time to turn it off. I don't know if you can see it there. It's like moving a little bit. So all the sparkles are kind of going to one side, which is really cool. So I'm making like the middle, like a diagonal with sprinkles on it, which I really liked. So my opinion on it, it's pretty good, and it heals in 30 seconds. I would buy it. It's only 98 cents. And if you've never tried a cap polish, then this is one you should try for your first try and see how you like them. It's inexpensive. Wow, the heat don't work. Technical difficulties.